How to convert 60 FPS Fusion composition to 30 FPS in DaVinci Resolve. Click on the exclamation mark on the composition, and you can see that this is a 60-frame composition. Double-click on it to open it on the Fusion page. In this composition, I have an animation that lasts 60 frames or 1 second. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Change frame rate to 30 and click Create. Select all the nodes except Media Out, and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Double-click on 30 frames per second composition to open it. Press Ctrl+V to paste the nodes and connect them to Media Out. Select the last node that is connected to Media Out, in my case the template node. Press Shift+Space, search for Time Stretcher, and add it. Select Time Stretcher node and click on the red diamond button to make it gray. Right-click on the source time and choose Expression. Here just type time multiplied by 2. Now you can see that the keyframe is at 60th frame, but the animation lasts 30 frames, which in 30 frames per second composition is 1 second.